Hong Kong, good for the UK, good for New Zealand. 37,000 kilometers. Pristine. It doesn't get much better than this, and it really makes you wonder, where have these cars been sitting all this time? Sitting in someone's garage in Japan, not being used. Oh, shame. It's a beautiful old machine, isn't it? I'll take you for a walk around, and then we'll point out a few things I notice as we're walking around. Overall, it's beautiful, as you can see. Paint's in excellent condition. It's been graded a 4B, and totally deserving that grading. Headlights are nice and clear. Got some giant bug there. There we go. Chrome's in excellent condition. Headlights nice and clear. Okay, so according to the auction sheet, what do we got here? There's a minor dent on the bonnet. I'm not really seeing it. It's graded as a minor dent, so A2 on the front fender, maybe this one here. Little scratch there. See it? U1 on the driver's door. In here, a little dent. And a U1 and an A1 on the rear fender. There's the scratch. Can't see any dent. If we look along the car along the side, beautiful and straight. She's lovely. Alright, let me just go over the other side. Sorry, she's jammed in up against this Jag here, so it's a bit hard to move around. Okay, there's an A2 on the back fender here, and you can see, yeah, there's a fair scratch along there. Again, nice and straight down the side. A few minor dents, they say, on the doors. A couple of little paint blemishes, but you know, there's a scratch there, a little dent here. But you know, overall, for the age, she's looking good, looking very good. Let's have a look inside. It's got the blue velour interior, blue on blue, white headlining, and the interior is just spotless, immaculate. Not a thing out of place. Seats are all in great condition. Dash, no cracks, no cuts. Fortunately, it's got the aftermarket navy put on, but you can't really escape that these days. The back here, same story in the back. Seats are beautiful. Your opinion may vary on the white lace seat covers, but you know, it's quite common to see those on these cars here. There we go. Headlining, excellent, unmarked, tight, not sagging, perfect. Alright, close it up. I'll start her up for you. There you go, she turns over beautifully. You're getting no warning lights, nothing coming on like that. There we go, very clean engine. Nothing out of place. Looks almost brand new. Oops, sorry bud. See the oil, nice and clean, nice and clear. Level's good. She's just purring away beautifully. Very nice. Go around the back, just to make sure. No smoke or anything like that. She's idling nicely, no strange noises. Runs like a dream. Back to the interior just before I shut it down. All your wood trim, it's all in perfect condition. Look at that, no cuts, no cracks. Little scratch there, all good. We'll check the power windows and stuff. There we go. She works good. All good. There we go. And one more. Well, that's it. Thanks for checking it out. It's a beautiful car, and let me know if you're interested in picking up something like this from Japan.